Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be trimming my hair, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be blow drying my hair for the first time, and I got a new pair of scissors from Sally Beauties. So first off, I took down my braids from wash day, and I finger detangle. Then I apply my contour leave-in, and this for this section, I forgot to add the heat protectants at first, but I remembered later, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I applied that to my hair, then I detangle my comb once more, then go in with my blow dryer. And I use the low setting for the blow dryer, and there are some places where I use the cool setting, so I switched between the low and cool settings. So here I remembered I forgot to use the heat protectant, so I decided to go back in and use it and start my blow drying process all over again. But yeah, I don't really know how much pump of the heat protectant I use per section. I just sprayed as much as I like. So after I'm done with the section, I go ahead and twist them up. I twist up the section and move on to the next section. And I repeat the same steps over again. So to recap, I apply my contour leave-in conditioner to my hair. Then I go in with a heat protectant. Then I detangle with a white tooth comb before I go in with the blow dryer. Then after I'm done blow drying the section, I twist it up. So this is what my hair is looking like, fully blow dried. By the way, this is my first time of blow drying my hair, so I got a little bit blow dryer happy, and also kind of like trimming happy, or how am I supposed to say this? But yeah, I got a little scissor happy. So the next, I just go ahead and like put my hair into a ponytail, so that way it's easier for me to take my hair in sections and trim. So first off, I detangle a little section of my hair with a fine tooth comb and make sure the hair is totally and well detangled. And you guys can see where the damage started from. It's about close to 2 inches of my hair, but I had no choice. I had to give that up. So yeah, you guys can see the damage. So I just go ahead and like suck it up and trim it off, because you know, health over length, that's the goal. So yeah, once this section is trimmed, I comb it out again and retrim, like yeah, just to dust any leftover. I didn't get to trim the first time, so I just go ahead and trim it once more, and that's it for the section. And after I'm done with each section again, I just go ahead and put them into twists. Over here, you can really see how damaged my hands were. Like, let me pull it down for you guys to see. It's about 2 to 2.5 inches of my hair. It's a little bit curled up, but like, yeah, when stretched, it's that long. And I just had to give up everything. I know, things we do for love. I love my hair, so I gotta let it go.
It's high sung on the bit.
So I'm finally done trimming the whole head of mine. Then I went ahead and put the front section in flat twist. So this is a comparison. The smaller one is the hair from breakage and shedding, and the bigger one is the hair that got trimmed off. And that's it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Love you. Mwah.